I'm filming. Okay, this is Honolulu. No, this is Hawaii. This has got audio.
Yeah, I got it too.
Yeah, so this...
You can narrate for both of us.
Well, don't know what I'm doing, so... But we're here on the, 6th of January, 2009, and trying to film a green flash. With us we have first name
Terry Michalski.
Terry and Terry.
And Scott Denegard.
Degenhart, yeah.
Degenhart and Terry Redding. And we're at, the name of this resort is the...
Makaha.
Makaha.
Here it goes.
And
looking good.
the sun is going down and there's something right in front of it. I don't know what that, is that a plane or?
Might be a little cloud.
It's really a dark one though.
Yeah.
We're trying to get a green flash. Boy, look how big it's gotten all of a sudden. It's really
That's a good sign,
large.
actually.
Is that a good sign?
Yeah, that means the atmosphere is really dense and acting like a really good lens to prism away.
Do you think that's an island, that little hump on the horizon?
It is probably a ship passing in front of it, which I've gotten before when photographing the sun at sunset.
And then what do you think that is up on the surface of the sun itself, that dark?
Cloud.
You think it's just that dense a cloud up there, huh? Well, this is really cool. Well, that ship is a big one. It must be a cruise liner.
There it goes, Kia. Come on, quick.
What's happening?
Yeah.
I don't want to get
Well,
in front
you
of
don't get, yeah, kind of come around, just, okay.
You can get right behind me. You're
Are you
fine.
video recording with your camera, Scotty?
No, I couldn't get the software going in time, and
I
also,
was worried about that.
okay, get ready. Here it goes.
Okay, we're looking for the green flash any second now.
Whether it's a ship or what. Okay, here we go. Yeah, just in time. Hopefully just in
So
time.
fast.
Yeah. 2 minutes to go its own diameter.
Is that what it is, 2 minutes? Yeah, I just watched it on Starry Night, and it showed from my impression of the touchdown until it completely disappeared across the event horizon. Okay, we could get it any second now. Any second. Boy, it's gone.
Nope.
And no flash.
I don't know.
Oh, the flash would have been there.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let me look at my pictures.
It's a trip to watch it though.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so I can stop this.